Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100, where x plus 1 over x is 1. We have given x plus 1 over x is equal to 1. Now multiplying both sides by x, we can write this x times x is x square plus 1 over x times x, this x will cancel and it will remain 1, is equal to 1 times x is x. So multiplying both sides by x, we will get this. Now taking this x to left side, we will get x square and this negative x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now multiplying both sides by x plus 1, we will get x plus 1 times this term x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0 times x plus 1, this is 0. We have multiplied both sides by this x plus 1. Now this is a formula, a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. This is a cube plus b cube. So applying this formula, we will get x cube plus 1. This is 0. Now taking this on to right side, we will get the value of x cube. So from here, x cube is equal to negative 1. Now our term x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. This x to the power 100, we can write this as x to the power 3 whole to the power 33. This is x to the power 3 times 33, 99. And multiplying this by x, this will be x to the power 100. Similarly, 1 over this x to the power 100, we can write again this x to the power 3 and whole to the power 33. This is x to the power 99 times x. This is x to the power 100 is equal to, we have x to the power 3, this is negative 1. So substituting this here, we can write negative 1 to the power this 33 times this x plus this 1 over this x cube, this is negative 1. So we can write negative 1 to the power this 33 times this x is equal to, this negative 1 to the power 33 is negative 1. So negative 1 times x, this will be negative x plus this 1 over, similarly negative 1 to the power 33 is negative 1 times x is negative x. And taking common negative 1, we can write negative of this x and it will be plus this 1 over x is equal to, we have given x plus 1 over x, this is 1. So x plus 1 over x, substituting this, we can write negative of this value is 1. So negative 1, and this is the value of x to the power 100 plus 1 over x to the power 100. This is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.